Hello, this is Adam, the baby gear expert and car seat technician with Infant Toddler Youth and the Pump Station and Nursery in Santa Monica. And in this video, we're going to show you how to remove your Evenflo 360 Revolve. So when you're ready to get the car seat out of the vehicle and you don't remember how it was installed, this video is going to show you step by step how to get this out of your car. First thing you want to do is remove the chair. The car seat does have to first be at the most reclined option. You're going to rotate the car seat by lifting up either of the gray tabs. And what you want to do is you want to line up the arrow on the car seat with the arrow on the base. Once you have it lined up, you're going to lift up one of the gray tabs, and that'll let you remove the chair. Now that the chair is removed, we're going to unbuckle the seat belt. So I'm going to push the red button, and that's going to release the tension of the seat belt. We can now open up the tension door of the Evenflo car seat. This gray tab here, you're going to squeeze. The button is going to turn red, and the door will open. So now we can remove the seat belt. The last thing we got to do is head to the trunk and release the top tether. So right in the back here, the strap is coming under the headrest and it's connected to my tether point. So I'm going to loosen the strap first by pushing the gray button and pulling. That'll loosen. There's a spring on the actual hook itself, so you need to push the spring open, and that'll allow you to disconnect. I can now feed the tether back through the headrest into the back seat, so that way we can remove the car seat. And there we go. The Evenflo Revolve 360 is now removed. Go ahead and put the tether in its storage compartment underneath the base here, so that way no loose straps are hanging around anywhere. So hopefully the video helped. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.